Have you ever wondered what NFTs are and how they work? The buzz around NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, has been growing louder and louder. A new player on the digital scene, NFTs have quickly captured the attention of the world, especially the realms of art and technology. These digital assets have been making headlines, with high-profile sales reaching astronomical figures. From tweets selling for millions to digital artwork fetching record-breaking prices, the rise of NFTs has been nothing short of astounding. The intrigue and fascination around them have only been fueled by the involvement of celebrities, artists, and tech giants, who have all dipped their toes into the NFT pool. But it's not just the glitz and glamour that's captivating everyone. It's the potential for a new kind of ownership, a new way of valuing art and content, and the hint of a digital revolution. So, the big question, but what exactly are these NFTs? Let's dive in. In the simplest terms, NFTs are digital assets. But what does that mean? Well, these digital assets can be a wide variety of things. They might be pieces of digital art, songs, or even tweets. Yes, you heard right, tweets. Anything that can be represented digitally can become an NFT. Now let's delve a bit deeper into the world of NFTs. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. If you're scratching your head at the term fungible, don't worry. It's not as confusing as it sounds. Fungibility refers to the idea of something being replaceable by an identical item. For instance, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are fungible because one Bitcoin is the same as another. However, NFTs are different. They are unique, just like a one-of-a-kind painting. You can't replace a unique painting with a mass-produced print and call it the same thing, right? The same principle applies to NFTs. Each NFT is distinct and carries its own special value. This uniqueness is what makes NFTs so interesting and potentially valuable. Think of it this way. If cryptocurrencies are like digital coins, then NFTs are like digital collectible cards, each with its own unique characteristics and value. This uniqueness is what makes NFTs so intriguing and, for some, a new frontier for digital ownership and creativity. Now let's understand how these digital assets work. NFTs exist on a blockchain, which is essentially a digital ledger. This ledger, think of it as a massive global spreadsheet, records transactions and ensures the integrity of data. This is the underlying technology that provides proof of ownership and authenticity for NFTs. Let's walk through the process. When an NFT is created or minted, a unique code is generated and stored on the blockchain. This code, like a digital fingerprint, is unique to the NFT and cannot be replicated. It carries all the information about the NFT, the creator, the owner, the transaction history, and so on. This is how blockchain technology verifies authenticity and ownership. Now imagine you're an artist and you've just created a digital masterpiece. You decide to mint it as an NFT. Once it's minted, it's on the blockchain, forever linked to you as the original creator. This is your proof of creation, and it's unforgeable thanks to the blockchain. You then decide to sell your NFT. You list it on a marketplace, someone buys it, and the transaction is recorded on the blockchain. The NFT is now linked to the new owner, and if they decide to sell it, the process repeats with each transaction recorded on the blockchain. This is how we can trace the provenance of an NFT all the way back to the original creator. Most NFTs are part of the Ethereum blockchain, but it's not the only game in town. Other blockchains like Binance Smart Chain or Flow can support NFTs too. Each has its own advantages and quirks, but the underlying principle remains the same: a decentralized, transparent record of ownership and transactions. So, we've seen how blockchain technology underpins the existence of NFTs. It provides a secure, unforgeable record of ownership, transactions, and authenticity. This is what makes NFTs so unique and exciting in the digital world. With this, we have a basic understanding of how NFTs work. But what does this mean for you? The world of NFTs opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. Let's delve into the impact of NFTs. The most profound effect has been on artists and creators. Traditionally, Artists have had to rely on galleries, publishers, or music labels to get their work out there. But with NFTs, they can now bypass these intermediaries, sell their work directly to consumers, and retain more of the profits. It's a revolutionary way to monetize creativity. NFTs have also made waves in the world of collectibles and gaming. Just as people collect physical items like baseball cards or comic books, digital collectibles have become a hot commodity. Imagine owning a one-of-a-kind digital sword in a popular online game, or a digital piece of artwork that no one else in the world has. That's the allure of NFTs in the gaming and collectible space. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The world of NFTs has faced criticism too. The process of creating NFTs, known as minting, requires a substantial amount of energy, contributing to environmental concerns. Moreover, the digital nature of NFTs opens up potential avenues for fraud. Issues of copyright infringement and counterfeit NFTs have already started surfacing. NFTs are certainly a game changer, but they come with their own set of challenges. So, as we venture further into this new digital frontier, it's important to tread carefully, keeping both the potential rewards and risks in mind. So, we've taken a deep dive into the world of NFTs. We've unraveled their complexity, demystifying them from mere buzzwords to tangible concepts. In simple terms, NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets existing on a blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, each NFT is distinct and carries its own set of information, making them as unique as a snowflake in a snowstorm. We've also looked at the technicality of NFTs, their existence on the blockchain, and the transparency and security it brings. The potential impact of NFTs in reshaping industries like art, music, and real estate is vast. But they also bring challenges, such as the environmental concerns and the potential for market manipulation. Whether NFTs are a passing fad or the future of digital assets remains to be seen. But one thing is sure, they've certainly got the world talking.